Welcome to day 3 of our experiment. Right here we are determining the mass of the polymer we made to calculate the percent yield. So the goal for today is to characterize our polymer and do a degradation study. So here we're just taking the polymer out of the pan for that and examining our product from the DPP experiment from day 2. And it's highly viscous. You can see that stir bar trapped in there. And here we're preparing 3 vials filled with deionized water, sodium hydroxide, and hydrochloric acid, and these are diluted solutions. And in each of the 3 vials we're adding a piece of Starbucks cup, and then in another set of 3 vials containing the same solvents we're putting our polymer in there to observe how it degrades after a couple of days of sitting in solution. And so for the next part of this experiment, we're putting our 6 vials onto a hot plate, and we want to reflux them for 18 hours and make sure that the caps are on before you put them on the hot plate, because we want to then reweigh the polymers to see the percent of mass difference that's degraded after 18 hours of reflux. And as far as a qualitative mechanical test for our polymer, we chose to just bend the Starbucks cup to witness some visible crazing, where we see that white line on the polymer sample. And then here's our actual sample that we synthesized, and notice how it just snaps in half. Oh. And for our final method of characterization, we're going to take an iris spectra of our polymer, and don't forget to blank the spectra using propanol. To ensure reaction completion, we took a spectra of our monomer as well as our polymer.